Hi everyone, and welcome to another digital launch of Mercedes-Benz. With more than a century's worth of experience and innovations in the automotive industry worldwide, Mercedes-Benz continues to innovate and build vehicles that impact people's lives around the globe. And considering the changing of times, its SUV lineup serves as one of the most powerful, most intelligent, and safest rosters ever built. It all started with the G. The Mercedes-Benz SUV family traces its roots back to the legendary G-Class. Dubbed as the epitome of the Mercedes-Benz SUV, the G-Class demonstrates the sheer durability of a Mercedes-Benz, a vehicle that withstands the test of time and lives from generation to generation. And then a mid-size SUV, the Mercedes-Benz GLC. It has everything to look for in a luxury SUV: comfort, luxury, performance, design. It thus sets a new benchmark for the mid-size SUV segment. Next is the Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's built to be one of the most intelligent and toughest SUVs ever made, demonstrating Mercedes-Benz's engineering and state-of-the-art features. The GLE is meant to handle the toughest terrain, all while balancing comfort and convenience in the cabin. And then the ultra-premium full-size SUV, the GLS. It manifests elegance and demonstrates sensuous clarity and detail while sporting its dominant stance and cutting-edge technology. And of course, the newly released GLV, the most versatile and first ever 7-seater luxury compact SUV available in the Philippine market. And now, the latest addition to the lineup, the all-new GLA. It marks the completion of the Mercedes-Benz ever-impressive SUV family. The new GLA is even better in every aspect. It has added character, more space, advanced safety features, and more efficiency. It embodies the perfect synergy between pure beauty and robust off-road elements. It carries Mercedes-Benz signature SUV design and trailblazing technologies as a true demonstration of modern luxury. And for those who want to immerse themselves into the presence of these cars, I invite you to visit our digital showroom. We have new digital content that we've been releasing on our social media platforms. You can customize each car to your liking and leave a message if you're interested in starting or continuing your journey with Mercedes-Benz. So sit back, relax, and we hope you enjoy this video we've made for you. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLA.
Make a statement. Leave your mark. Because it's time to let the world know just exactly who you are. Strength, driven by boundless curiosity. Introducing the new GLA. The new SUV has more character than ever, with a bolder, sportier, and dynamic new design, setting a new standard for modern luxury. The GLA is meant to perfectly fit in your lifestyle, taking you to bigger and better heights. Everything has been done with a purpose, the perfect balance of form and function. The new GLA is the latest model to join the lineup and rounds out the current compact car generation from Mercedes-Benz. At the same time, it represents the entry level into the brand's successful family of SUV models. The new GLA's character has been significantly reinforced compared to its predecessor, and it's positioned as an adventurous and lifestyle-oriented SUV. The exterior embodies sharpened SUV character and expressive design, underscore the new GLA's claim to setting the standard in its class. Large-sized wheels and a muscular vehicle shoulder lend it a sporty, confident status. More so, the GLA impresses its occupants with a significantly higher seating position, more space, and improved entry comfort, truly fit in any form of lifestyle. The GLA interior combines true SUV feeling with a dash of sportiness and more spaciousness. It captivates with exceptionally high-quality materials and craftsmanship. The beautiful design comes second to none, with style and luxury in every aspect, maintaining the Mercedes-Benz harmonious design language. The GLA impresses with more space combined with compact dimensions. Comfortable loading already begins with a low boot sill that give you extra space and a variable folding options for the backrests. Makes the GLA a flexible transport vehicle for everyday use. The innovative MBUX makes connectivity easier for the GLA. MBUX creates an emotional connection between driver, passengers, and the vehicle. A key motivator here is the comprehensive personalization options. Each user can create their own user profile, for example, and set up the content in MBUX just how they like it. Be connected with the steering wheel touch buttons, touchpad, touchscreen, and Hey Mercedes voice command. Safety is always the top priority. Mercedes-Benz Intelligent Drive combines safety and convenience innovations for the new GLA. With these intelligent systems, Mercedes-Benz is not only setting standards in automotive engineering, but is also taking another important step forward on the road to accident-free and autonomous driving. This allows the driver to experience a new dimension of safety, convenience, and stress-free driving. A terrific driving experience with the press of a button. The Dynamic Select offers different drive programs with setting options for the engine, transmission, chassis, and steering. In terms of technology, the GLA 200 is powered by a 4-cylinder petrol engine with an efficient 7G dual-clutch transmission, with drive programs that adjust to your requirements, depending on the situation and your preference. It is always the case that with a dual-clutch transmission, you accelerate faster and without any interruption. Embark on a new adventure and make it your own with the new Mercedes-Benz GLA.
The all-new GLA represents an exciting moment for Mercedes-Benz's most popular compact SUV. Sporty, agile, modern, and practical, it has remained a firm favorite for those who love sleek styling of an SUV but prefer a compact vehicle. The all-new GLA is here and at an introductory price of $3,290,000. It is available for viewing in all of our showrooms in EDSA Green Hills, Bonifacio Global City, Alabang, and Cebu City. Of course, your safety is our #1 priority, and rest assured that safety protocols are in place for your visit. Test drive is also made available for you to experience the uniqueness of the all-new GLA. You may also check out our online showroom or reach us through our social media platforms, which you can see over here. For now, I wish you all a good day and see you on our next digital launch.